Skies. We do have a few high cirrus clouds and our temperature at 58 and northeast winds. So overall, we've had our cooler air start to work in. Current temperatures in the upper 50s to lower 60s. And here are those winds coming in from the north and northeast up to about 5 or 10 miles per hour. So a very pleasant feel. The next few hours take us just barely to 60 degrees. Again, with that mix of clouds with sunshine, overall really pleasant day, and temperatures this evening in the 50s, as long as you don't mind it a little bit on the cool side. Here's satellite and radar. Here's our front, which has passed to the south of our coastline now. We have surface high pressure off to the north of us, and really nothing big heading our way. You can see this cloud cover just streaming over us from the west. If you look way out on the other side of the nation, of course, we've been hearing about all this rain and storm systems with just a lot of moisture flowing into California on the west coast. That's where that's been going on. This system eventually will move across the U.S. And so we are expecting eventually some changes in our weather on this side of the nation by the middle and end of this upcoming week. Today, though, highs about 62. Nice cool day. Tonight will be chilly. We'll have lows north of the lake near 40 degrees, south of the lake upper 40s to about 50, and we may hang on to a few clouds overnight. Tomorrow looks very nice again, mostly sunny skies, just a couple degrees higher for our temperatures. Wednesday, we get a warm front moving through. There will be a slight chance for maybe a stray shower Wednesday. I think most of us will stay dry though, and it will be much warmer in the 70s. And then Thursday, of course, is our day with rain and a few thunderstorms. Here is the outlook for severe storms on Wednesday, and this will take us Wednesday into the nighttime hours. Notice some areas to our north will be at that lowest marginal risk, 1 out of the 5 levels for severe storms. And that would be, of course, the chance for high wind gusts or a tornado or large hail. So it looks like this system will probably bring any severe storms or strong storms likely farther to the north of us. We may be on the outskirts by early Thursday morning of some of the marginal risk category severe outlook for then. We will see, but right now it does look like this will be a fast moving system. So, and again, maybe a limited sort of severe risk by Thursday. Of course, as we get closer, we'll know more and keep you updated. But this takes us to noon Wednesday, couple of showers around. Here's that warmer air working in Wednesday and Thursday. And here we are Thursday with our next cold front on the way. This could be Thursday morning. Fast forward to about lunchtime, maybe showers and a couple of storms. But our models have been pretty consistent, bringing this in and out fairly quickly. So by Thursday, maybe even afternoon or evening, this is 4 p.m. potentially Thursday, we may already have whatever rain that we had moving out of our area. And we will get colder weather after that with a nice chilly feel for Friday and Saturday. Looking at the rain forecast, the GFS American model is going with about a ½ inch, maybe up to an inch of rain on Thursday. I will say the European model had a lot less than this, actually. It had about maybe a 1/10 to a 1/4 of an inch or maybe a ½ inch on the high side. So it doesn't look like a huge rain event at this point, but we'll see as we get a little bit closer. Here's your forecast. Tomorrow, high temperatures closer to upper 60s. Really nice day tomorrow, as I said. Wednesday and Thursday, our winds pick up a little bit, and Thursday could be a very breezy to windy day with highs in the 70s. Friday, it's still breezy, but we're getting that change in direction with northerly winds, and we will have a cooler feel Friday, that breeze, but with the sunshine and staying in the 50s. And then look at the weekend. Saturday morning, we could have a little patchy frost north of the lake. Maybe even Sunday morning, too. South of the lake, we'll look for lows near 40 degrees. The kind of chilly starts this coming weekend, but we will have lots of sun and pleasant afternoons in the 50s Saturday and near 60 Sunday.
All right, Alexandra.